Howdy, I'm known as Dimwit, the last mountain man, feared throughout the land. Been a long time since I did one of my Ain't Been Shot in a Century videos. Well, here we are. This is a conversion Colt, model 1851 Navy. Used to be a percussion, or was intended to be a percussion, but it's been made into a Cartridge revolver. See, it's got the loading gate and the ejector rod and everything. So I had this gun for many years. I never shot it. I can't wait any longer. Oops. These reloadable rimfire cartridges are a little finicky. You have to hit the primer just right. I'll show you that later. Let's try some more. Okay, got off to a bad start there, but it worked out well in the end. Let's get these out of there and have a look. So these are the reloadable rimfire brass, and you can see we use a start revolver cartridge to set it off, and you have to strike it just right. So I had this gun apart, and for cleaning and inspection, and it was in surprisingly good shape. There's really no mechanical wear to speak of, but it's pretty obvious that it's been carried quite a bit. It's got quite a deep patina, but it doesn't really have any areas with any deep pitting on it, so it kind of looks nice the way it is. Got a little bit of corrosion going on inside the chambers and in the bore, but not as bad as I expect from something like this. But it's been carried a lot, not fired a lot. So here's a cartridge. You can see the start revolver cartridge in there. Sets off the black powder charge, and there's a heelbase bullet, just like on a 22 long rifle. It's thickness of the bullet is the same as the casing, but it's got a thinner portion that goes into the brass. So we call that a heelbase bullet. So you can't get these rimfire rounds anymore, so this is, at least we get to try these guns, but a little bit of you have to load it just right so the striker hits. Well, that's really all I got for you today. '1851 Colt Navy cartridge conversion, and conversion was done in early 1870s. 1871 would be my guess. So hope you enjoyed it. There will be more videos. I'm getting awful close to 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you want to be number 1,000. So hit like. Got anything nice to say? I'll be happy to hear about it. See you later.